Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Top Pick Trading. Getting this lower high and then I'll explain a little more to you. Let's see here. Alright, and we're in this. ATR's 13-ish, so we're going to go for 6. Alright, what I'm looking at here is a second entry short, lower high. You can see this downtrend here. This is the first break of it, so I'm going to expect a retest. We had this large leg down through the overnight, kind of went sideways until now. Now it looks like we may be going back to the lows again. And just expecting 6 ticks on this, but there's a good chance we could get a fair amount more. So let's see. Tighten this up a little bit. And we do get the scalp there. Let's see. My stop loss moved to break even +1, but I'm gonna give it an extra tick of room. And I'm gonna take this first runner near the low of this move that just occurred. And the second one I'm gonna let ride, but I'm gonna trail behind it. So let's see. This entry was a little bit congested, but I really like the way it formed. You can see on that lower high, it ticked one tick up into the EMA and then turned down pretty quick. Unfortunately, I didn't have the recorder going exactly at the right time, so you just saw the tail end of the signal bar. I'm going to try to start recording to where you can see the whole signal bar form, and maybe even the bar prior, which is the setup bar. That'll give you some more insight into how we're trading this momentum. But let's see, it looks like it may come back and get us. Let's see. Looks like we may have survived. I'm glad I moved that runner, the stop loss on the runner, to break even rather than break even +1. That may prove to be pretty critical here. Let's see if we can get this first one. It's getting close. Let me zoom out here and so you can kind of see the structure from the whole day. And if we did get the if we wanted to hold this runner, this would be the measured move. Looks like 40, 60. I'll move it there, but I'm going to trail, and I'm sure we'll get hit before that occurs, unless we just plummet. I'm going to trail this one too. And you can see after we had that large down move in the overnight, which is that kind of yellowish golden color trend channel, price is corrected about halfway. 50% of that move it retraced, but we keep coming back to these lows. So I'd say it's kind of a range type day with a little bit of a bearish bias. And really, here we're just playing this trade was playing the shorter term trend, which was this fairly strong move down in the first test of the EMA after the break. And like I said, it is a little congested, but just the way the signal bar formed, it was actually pretty clear with the movement there. So I guess the way to describe it, it was very one directional or unidirectional. Ticked one above and instantly turned down. And we're trailing tight here, so we'll most likely get hit because we're right at the low of the day, so probably going to have at least a bounce here. See, it's coming right back. And they do get us there. But nice little runner. We got the first one, and we trailed that second one and got a fair amount out of that too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this example of a light